Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US buy stocks. Today we will talk about Eli Lilly Co company traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name LLY. Well, LLY is actually a stock that's currently last two trading sessions is observing some decline, and now this might open very interesting buy opportunities if you know the levels. Therefore, let's discuss those and to understand where we can expect some reversal and some nice entries for LLY. Well, LLY is a company that a little bit different from those we usually pick up for discussions, because this one, instead of showing quite steady growth during last 6 months, is actually showing very nice volatility levels. And this opens very interesting actually waving play here, and you can see those volatility levels can go all the way from about almost 170 price, and the lowest we saw for the last 5-6 months, you can see almost 140 minus, and this is really incredible volatility levels, so you can make very nice play here. And what we see now, we're somewhere in the middle of this channel, and with most probably bearish, momentarily bearish indicator, because we have the previous wave that started at the beginning of October clearly is now going for its correction and decline. So now the second trading session we are going down after having a classical illuminator white red, which means usually the end of the upwards behavior. We see now a classical dark red candle with big shadows, which is usually a bearish indicator, together with the fact that RSI is turning a little bit here, and MACD is on its top of positive wave, so also still going down, still recharging for further developing further positive upwards pressure. Therefore, the entry points are to be discussed to know where to have a first buy. And if you look at those, actually those are these levels. So the first level would be somewhere around 146. This would be the first entry buy level. Then the volatility, next volatility level, which is the strong one, also is then here, and this way we can actually draw our first entry circles. So the first entry circle will start in the vicinity of this line. So let's call these lines correspondingly S1 and S2. So at S1 line, probably we will end somewhere. Tomorrow will be either by the beginning of the candle, so some strong volatility, but if price goes any further from the middle between S1 and S2 and lower, this would be the first entry point. Then we always advise keeping some funds for further average down on this dark circle, so the dark line, and the second dark circle, the lowest level observed last 6 months, let's call it actually S3 line here. This way you know the very nice entries, because this is really volatile, really momentum trading, and what we can observe here is actually some decline further tomorrow, then either immediate rebounds or some volatility, further decline, and then stronger rebounds. Then if you would ask yourself how far, how much it can go up, well, then we can clearly see there is this downwards channel can be seen as a first point to sell, let's call it R1. And therefore from circle 1, if it goes there, it would be advised to have a first sell here. And of course, if it's pierced further, well, then it can go even higher, but we wouldn't bet on that. But still there is second, let's say, level to go. It's this one, let's call it R2. But most probably it's advised, actually the most safe game is enter 1, 2, and then exit at R1. And this would be maybe overcautious, but the most safe and guaranteed. We often say that we provide overcautious prognosis, but yes, indeed, that's the case, because we think that it's better lose the opportunity than lose the money. Therefore, the best one is to have a game where you know what you're doing. If it happens, if the pattern is confirmed, that is the most safe, and then you definitely will have your profit. Therefore, we also urge you to look out in other videos. Please also don't pay too much attention to the date of the video. It's just the date when the video was issued, but actual analysis is valid for next several weeks, because we discuss from 1 to several weeks in advance to what is going to happen. Therefore, if you review the video, you know how to enter, you know what to wait. That's our way of discussing videos, discussing stocks. So we discuss upfront, so you can prepare, you can put the stock on your watch list, put your alerting indicators for entry prices, and once this works, then you know what to do according to advice if you would like to follow it. With this, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel not to miss new interesting videos and new discussions on US based stocks.